This is a review of the BeGrit wireless driveway alarm system. I'll go over the features first and then we'll discuss what the pros and the cons are. The alarm detects people and vehicles. It has a 250 feet radio range. It has a 30 feet motion detection area. You'll get a notification by a sound and flashing LED, and it's also expandable, so you can add up to 6 sensors. There are a couple of things I like about this alarm. It's really affordable, it's easy to install, it's expandable, you can add more sensors to monitor different areas of your property, and it has a better motion sensor than most products in this price range. The alarm is poorly made and is not weatherproof. The radio range is shorter than advertised, and the sound is really irritating and the volume cannot be adjusted. This alarm is one of the most affordable wireless driveway alarms on the market. However, it's made with poor components that do not last a long time. Also, the range between the motion sensor and the transmitter is one of the shortest I've seen. If you're looking for a high quality and reliable driveway alarm, check out the Guardline GL2000 or the Dakota 2500.